All right, guys. Now what I'm going to do is before we put this upper, which that's one of our last steps, is connect that. What I like to do is just get some of these parts lubed up. I'm just using some regular gun oil. Wherever there is a moving part, I'm going to put a little bit of oil. So we've obviously want it on these pins here. Okay, back pin, we don't really want too much on there. Oil never hurt, so just clean that up a little bit. And then you want to release these two pins. This back one, push. If everything was set right, that should be in place from the pin that was when we put that buffer tube on. And then we want to release that top one there. This should all go together. Make sure that sits right. Put your pin in. Let's see. Front pin, back pin. There you go. Let's take a look at this. Move this aside. Okay. There is, see if I can move this camera around this way. There we go. This is the finished product. Everything's working fine. What I'm going to do is do a quick safety fire. What I got is these dry fire rounds. Of course, if you dry fire, you could do damage. So we get these rounds. They're like $10, but it will help you maintain the life of your firearm. So we'll just put these in here. These are actually, this right here is a 5.56, but over at the Bass Pro, all they had was the 223, which works fine, especially for dry fire. When we're firing this, we're probably just going to only fire 5.56, even though it does take both. But let's go ahead and see how this works. We'll go ahead and put that in. Let me turn this so you can see. There we go. Going to chamber around. We pull back the bolt. Let you see this side. Chambered fine. Let's pull this back. Round should eject, which it did. You heard it hit the floor. And we're going to fire. Fire's good. Let's eject this one. Of course, it locked to the back because the magazine's empty. Eject the magazine. And ready to take it to the range. All right. We'll do another video when this is down at the range. We got some property down south. We'll get out there and put some rounds to this. All right, if you have any comments on what I did here, just leave them in there. I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. This is my first build. It went pretty good. It went pretty quick. I had no major problems. So hopefully my next build will be a little bit quicker and easier. And I'll try to get that on video as well. Okay, thanks for watching.